Ready to capture every wild moment in stunning 2025 quality? Whether you're hitting epic trails or chasing fast-paced thrills, these action cameras have you covered, no matter where life takes you. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 action cameras to help you find your perfect adventure buddy. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up or down, and drop a comment telling me which camera you think is best for you. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 6. Starting off strong with the DJI Osmo Action 6, the successor to the Osmo Action 5 Pro, a camera that already took the crown from GoPro in many ways. This new model keeps all the features that made the 5 Pro great and adds something totally new for action cameras, an adjustable aperture. That's a game changer. It means you get more creative control over your shots with the camera automatically balancing focus in low light conditions so you don't have to compromise. DJI also upgraded the image sensor to a larger 1/1.1-inch square CMOSC sensor, which was first introduced in their Osmo 360 camera. This bigger sensor significantly improves low light performance, so shooting in caves at night or in dim environments is much better. Plus, it lets you reframe your footage from vertical to horizontal without losing quality. A feature that's perfect for creators who post across different platforms. Compared to GoPro's near-square sensor, which is smaller, the Osmo Action 6 clearly has the edge in challenging lighting. The camera itself is just a bit bigger, about 3 mm wider, but it's still waterproof up to 20 meters without needing a case. It shoots 10-bit video, which means richer colors and smoother gradients. And it offers advanced digital stabilization with horizon leveling to keep your shot steady and level no matter how wild the action gets. It also adds depth and altitude data to your metadata, which is a nice bonus for tracking your adventures. Creators will love the bright OLED touchscreens on both the front and back, making framing and reviewing footage easy. Number 2. GoPro Hero 13. Black next up is the GoPro Hero 13 Black. GoPro shook things up in 2025 by breaking their usual annual release cycle. The Hero 12 Black was a bit of a letdown. It fell behind DJI in low-light performance and, strangely, removed built-in GPS, a feature many users loved, without adding much new. This year, GoPro shifted focus to their Max 2 360 camera, but the Hero 13 Black still brings some solid improvements. The standout feature here is the practical lens swap system, which opens up new creative possibilities. While lens mods aren't new to GoPro, the Hero 13 makes them easier to use by automatically adjusting settings for you. It even warns you if your ND filter choice isn't ideal, helping you get the perfect motion blur. Plus, a 21:9 anamorphic lens is on the way, which is exciting for filmmakers looking for that cinematic look. The Hero 13 Black shoots excellent 5.3K video, which is still ahead of most competitors. It also offers 400 frames per second, slow motion at 720p. Not cinema quality, but great for capturing standout moments in your adventures. The 27-megapixel sensor with an 8:7 aspect ratio is perfect for reframing content across social platforms without losing detail. The new magnetic mount is reversible, which is convenient, but it feels a bit less secure compared to DJI or Insta360 mounts. You can narrate your videos via Bluetooth headphones and features like timecode sync. Number 3. Akaso Brave 7 LE. If you're on a budget, the Akaso Brave 7 LE is a surprisingly solid choice, and one of the best GoPro alternatives out there for vloggers. It shoots crisp 4K video and has a 6-axis stabilization system that works really well, especially considering the price point. While it can't do 4K at 60 frames per second for fast action shots, 30 frames per second is more than enough for most vlogging and casual use. If you want smoother motion, you can switch to 2.7K at 60 frames per second, which is a nice middle ground without dropping all the way to 1080p. And if you're willing to do a bit of post-production sharpening, you can polish the footage nicely. The front-facing screen is perfect for vloggers who want to see themselves while recording. though the camera's compact size might take some getting used to. One downside is that its waterproofing without a case is limited, so you'll want to be cautious before taking it swimming or into heavy rain. Overall, the Akaso Brave 7 LE delivers a solid GoPro-light experience, offering great value for creators who want decent quality without breaking the bank. Number 4. Insta360 X5. One of the biggest challenges in action filming is aiming the camera exactly where you want it. What if you could just capture everything around you and decide the angle later? That's the idea behind 360-degree cameras, and the Insta360 X5 takes this concept to the next level. With 2 back-to-back lenses and smart software that automatically removes selfie sticks from your shots, the X5 captures everything around you, letting you pick the perfect angle after the fact. This is perfect when even a wide-angle lens feels limiting. The X5 improves on previous models with better ruggedness and deeper waterproofing, going beyond the 10-meter limit of the X3 and X4. It also features user-replaceable lenses and removable lens covers to protect your gear, which is great for long-term use. One of the coolest uses is the custom bike mount, which places the camera just ahead of your front wheel. The footage looks like a drone flying alongside you, giving a unique perspective. Sync it with your phone, and you can overlay GPS data like speed right onto your videos using the Insta360 app. Speaking of the app, Insta360 offers powerful editing tools on both mobile and desktop, including AI tracking and plugins for Final Cut Pro and Premiere. The Insta360 X5 isn't just a 360 camera, it's a game changer for action creators looking to capture unique, immersive perspectives. Number 5. GoPro Hero 11 Black. Finally, the GoPro Hero 11 Black. While it's not the newest model, it remains a smart choice, especially since GoPro dropped GPS on the Hero 12, which disappointed many users. If you don't need the magnetic mounts or lens mods of the Hero 13, the Hero 11 offers iconic GoPro features at a better price. It includes built-in GPS, 5.3K video recording, hyper-smooth 5.0 stabilization, 5 horizon lock, and can shoot high-res slow motion, up to 240 frames per second at 2.7K. You can record in a nearly square 8:7 aspect ratio, 5,312 by 4,648 pixels, or crop to the standard 16:9. This 8:7 format is perfect for creators who want to crop losslessly for different social platforms. The design hasn't changed much since 2019, but the software is simpler and the Quick app has improved. Stabilization is excellent in good light, and features like Hindsight, which captures 30 seconds before you hit record, live streaming, and webcam mode add versatility. With sharp video, best-in-class stabilization, and flexible shooting options, the Hero 11 Black remains a top pick for creators. Just be ready for GoPro's subscription upsell. So, which one's the best? For 2025, the GoPro Hero 13 Black takes the crown. Its unmatched video quality, rugged design, and smart features make it the ultimate choice for any adventure. But whether you want cutting-edge creative control with the DJI Osmo Action 6, budget-friendly reliability with the Akaso Brave 7 LE, or the immersive freedom of the Insta360 X5, there's an action camera here for every type of creator. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like or dislike, and tell me which camera you'd pick for your next adventure. See you in the next video.